Today I am going to be building up my new 2018 Colony BMX setup. So I'll show you. This year I've decided to run the Versatile frame. It got released last year, but they've put out a banging color this year. So it's like a matte purple bluish color. So I'm going to show you guys through that, what I run on my bike, and at the end I'll show you guys some riding clips. So hang around till then. Hope you guys enjoy the video, and let's get this build started. Starting up the top of my bike, I've got the Colony Sweet Tooth bars in 8.8 with some Colony Conker bar ends. I've got a Colony Squareback stem, RX3 detangler, and a polished headset. Moving down my bike, I've got a Colony lower gyro cable with some black Brethren brakes. I've got an Odyssey trigger lever and a black Shadow Conspiracy half-link chain. I'm running my CC sprocket in 25 tooth and 170mm 22 cranks with some fantastic plastic pedals with the silver axle. I've got my Colony CC combo seat in the black tie-dye colorway. Moving down, I've got some black Sweet Tooth forks and a bar end pelt with foot jams. I've got a black Wasp front hub with a black contour rim. I've got the grip lock tyre on the front in the 235. Moving to the back, I've got a right hand drive Wasp hub, hub guard and peg. I've got a black contour rim and I'm running the grip lock tyre in the 2.2 size, just released. Last but not least, I'm running the Colony Versatile frame in 20.85. I'm loving the matte purple colorway, and the wishbone on the back of the bike makes it look super rad. I'm stoked on how this bike's feeling, and I hope you guys enjoyed the clips.